About 1 year ago, we decided to incubate our own eggs. I made a list of the top things we've learned on that journey. If you have anything to add that would help someone else starting out, please let us know in the comments below. When hatching chicken eggs, you will need to get a very good egg incubator. We used the Incubate 360, and it worked very well for us for our hatch rate. I will leave a link to the Incubate 360 in the description below. If you purchase it, we do get a small percentage to help our channel grow. If you get value from this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. We also documented our complete journey of incubating eggs. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. If you do purchase a new incubator, make sure you purchase one that has an automatic egg turner. Next, you will need to get fertilized chicken eggs. Eggs from the grocery store will not work. If you have a friend that has a flock with a rooster, you can get eggs from them. Or you can also get mail order eggs. Always store the eggs at room temperature. The fresher they are, the better. If eggs are shipped, or even if you obtain the eggs from a friend, you will need to turn the eggs point down for 8 to 12 hours to allow them to rest. Also, I've found that it's better that you use the larger eggs instead of the smaller eggs. The smaller eggs are usually not viable. If this is the first time that you've hatched eggs, I recommend that you do not hatch too many eggs. 8 to 10 eggs are better. Remember that chicks will grow and get bigger and take up lots of room. For adult chickens, they will need at least 4 square feet of space in the coop. When setting up the incubator, it's important to put the incubator in a room that has a consistent temperature. This helps to maintain the incubator humidity. A consistent humidity is very important for a good hatch rate. To maintain humidity in our Incubate 360 and in most incubators, it will require you to add water to maintain that humidity. I recommend that you add a drop of food coloring to the water. This will enable you to see the water when it gets to the fill line. Always use distilled water. Make sure that you do not lift the lid of the incubator during the incubation process. However, you will need to lift the lid in order to candle the eggs on day 7 and day 14. On day 7, you should see visible veins in the eggs. If you do not see visible veins or not sure, it is okay to put the eggs back. By day 14, you will candle the eggs again. On that day, you should be able to tell if there is a viable living chick in the egg. Any eggs that do not have a viable chick will need to be disposed of. If they are not disposed of, these eggs will begin to rot and could bust and contaminate the other eggs. When the eggs begin to hatch, it is extremely important not to help the chicks hatch during the pipping and zipping process. Remember, a hatching egg is a natural process and the chicks do not need your help. After the chicks are hatched, do not pull them out of the incubator too early. Be patient. Let them completely dry. They also do not have to eat until day 3, so it is okay to leave them in the incubator until they are completely dry. Once ready to take the chicks out of the incubator, make sure you have a place ready to put the chicks with a heat lamp. A large storage box works great. So my very last tip is be prepared for more than 1 rooster. I wound up with 2 in the last batch that we hatched, and 2 is just enough. If you have more than 2 roosters in your flock, be prepared to give the rest of the roosters away. We hope these tips will help you on your new journey to incubate chicken eggs. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.